So guys, I am just sharing my screen to you and let me know if you are able to see my screen. You can see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So guys, do you have any doubt in the last class? So total we have done, last class we are done this visualization basis and make some chart on this basis of calculation. One by one we have to make calculation and then make some graphical presentation on dashboard presentation. So now we are done with this complete activity, and now tomorrow after next class we will done with this. So today we are going to this, see, you can see the last class we have done this kind of calculation done. So same way you have to just arrange in a same card chart type manner. So just you can go to this anyone, okay, and select here from the formatting. Who is this? Bhavishya. Okay. So guys, see in this formatting tab.
Yeah, this is Pavan, Harsha. Sorry,
Okay, okay, okay.
that's
No
my
worry.
daughter name. I will
No, no,
change it.
no, no worry, no worry, no worry. You can. I am just asking. Okay. So see,
Okay.
now
Yeah.
we are done with this formatting 908. Okay, so go to this here. You can see here there is a lot of title only. So click on this title option. Select this option. First, you can do directly with this also. Select this. You can do format painter and select this one. So you can see it is automatically format. Select this one again, format painter, and this is the total value you have. Select this one, format painter, like this, format painter, and like this. So this is automatically changed. Okay, so you have to just write a title on it, that this is for retrenchment employee. You have to just go to this title, write it here, retrenchment employee. Okay, and select here, go to this title, service, and this one is retrenchment employee percentage. Percentage of retrenchment. Same way here, percentage of services on service. Okay, guys. So now this our card chart done, some graphical presentation is done, and now we are done with some other activity. Let me go back into data. First, we have to read the data, that what are the other requirement we have to make. So click with the ending step. This one is done. Job level is
Harsha,
done.
one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I mean, like yesterday, you mentioned, right? I mean,
Mhm.
like instead of one-to-one relationship, we went
Okay.
to methodology, right? So I
Which
missed
one?
that
Which
part.
one? Instead of one to one,
Can you
merge query, right?
you went with the merge? Yeah, yeah, the
Merge.
employee number versus employee
Okay,
number,
okay.
right? From
Merge
two
query,
different
right?
tables.
Merge query, right? Okay. So I am
So
going to
just I
this.
want to understand why
Mhm.
we went with the merge query type, like why we didn't go with one or
See,
relationship,
yeah.
whatever it is, right?
See why I am going, because see in Power BI you have almost any alternative, almost all the alternative for your task. All the alternative means, like here you can see in the card chart, you have two options. Either you can see in the down name or either you can see in the title. It means you have two options in Power BI to make the visualization. Same way in Power BI you have a two option to make the data into fact table. Like suppose if you have two table, like one is fact table and one is dimension table, so either you can use relationship method or either you can use merge query. Like suppose if you use relationship method, it will be a more successful to you, because lot of person does not have that knowledge about the relationship, or lot of person does not have knowledge of merge query. So it means both the person, suppose if anyone having relationship knowledge, then they can use relationship. If anyone has merge query knowledge, then they can use merge query. That's a simple thing. It is not any reason to why we use a merge query here. Or why it is merge query? It's just a task which is given in Power BI. So my task is to cover that also in our query. So that's why I'm going to cover this merge query, because relationship is also covered already yesterday, day before yesterday class. So merge query I also covered. So like
Okay.
this, we have append query also. So append query, guys, we are using when we have a multiple table with a different kind of column. I will give you, because see, my task is to, because I am teaching. It means I will cover all the things one by one. Nothing to be remaining, because in this project, I'm trying to do most of the activity. Like I already in the first class, I said you that total of 5 projects we are going to cover, and in one project we are cover almost 20% of Power BI. It means I will do every step one by one. Like split column I always use, remove rows I have done it, data type done, use first row is done, so group by is remaining, append query is remaining, like this one. Okay, so like this way I have to complete all the things. Like if I go to this transform, generally in this example I am adding, I am providing knowledge for add column only, but I will provide you transform also in some way. So my task is to complete one by one whole thing. It means you have knowledge about any alternative also. Suppose if you see in the transform also you have split column, in the add also you have, in the home tab also you have split column. It means you have multiple types, the format function to you. So that is why you have to use all the things together. Okay, so this is my area to, I am using merge query relationship tab. Instead of merge query, you can use relationship also. Okay, so there is no any
Okay. I
specific
mean,
reason.
okay,
Yeah.
got you. Sure. I mean, I just want to check, like, did I miss
Mhm.
something or not?
No, no, there is
Because
nothing any
like
reason.
in,
Yeah. Okay.
okay, I just want to understand like how we
Mhm.
will be handling in real time
Yeah,
scenario,
sure,
right?
sure.
Because now we have only 5, 6 tables or maybe 7 or 8, but in
Hmm.
real time scenario, we'll be having like maybe
Yeah,
20,
20
30, or
also,
it
20
depends.
also, 30 also, yes. So see, why we using merge query? Suppose in real time, if you have 20 table, so you can use 10 table with relationship or 10 table with merge query. Okay, you can depend.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like,
So
does it matter like in performance wise? Like, I mean,
no, no,
I
nothing
know it's
matter.
early,
No,
but
no,
okay,
no, nothing matter, nothing matter. Don't worry. See, the main thing is matter that you have make the dashboard only. How you make the dashboard, it is only depend on you. Okay.
okay,
At the end, the company, if you work on company does not ask you to use a merge query or relationship. Company need a dashboard on the basis of requirement. Okay, company need a dashboard on the basis of requirement, and you have to fulfill that requirement. That's only. How to do it is your choice. Okay.
okay. But we need to understand, right? Like which
Right,
way. I mean,
right.
it's again performance comes in the picture, right? Once
Mhm.
we have
Right, right,
everything
right.
is consolidated. So
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
so
definitely.
so both ways there will be no difference in performance. That's what
No,
you
no,
are
not,
saying.
nothing is different into performance. Because see, merge query, why I'm telling you this merge query relationship, suppose if you given the exam of theoretical like DA100 exam and you have to pass the Microsoft exam, suppose in exam you have any question related to merge query, then you know that why we using merge query and why we using relationship. Okay. So
Okay,
now I'm
sounds good.
going
Yeah.
to, yeah, and now I'm going to this data and now read something else. So employee working group is okay. Job profile, service period is done. What I can use? Large promotion, work-life balance. Okay, standard hour, relationship. Yeah, I'm using the performance rating. Okay, guys. So you can see here, you have only third and fourth is performance. Is there any filter? No, no any filter. So in this example, if you see performance rating, you have only three options, like two options, 3 and 4, 3 star or 4 star. So you have to write a condition that how many you have performance rating category. So for this you have a two option. Either you can use new column combination or either you can use conditional column. Okay. Suppose if you want to use conditional column, I'm going to this home page. Click this transform tab. Under this add column, Okay, under this add column, you have conditional column. So select this one. If you select this one, the new heading is open, and you can see here the performance. Okay, if column name, so you have to select the column name, which is performance rating. This one. If performance rating is less than 3, less than 2, yeah. If performance rating is less than 2, so you have to write it here. It's a low performance. Okay, add clause. See, if you write a 2 or 3 or 4 condition, you can directly put the add clause. And if you write any 2 condition, then first one is okay and second one you can write it here. But if you want 2 or more 3 or more than 3, then you can use this add clause. So if I use add clause again, else if another requirement, here you can use the same column. Performance rating is equal to 3, then we need moderate performance. Okay, and last one, if greater than equal to 3, the moderate, and the last one is high performance. Okay, so like this way you have to just write it and click on OK. So you can see in the right hand side you have column name, which is performance status, and you can see here performance status. So you have to choose the correct data type. ABC, select this one, and correct data type is text because all the value in the text format. So select this text format to you. Just a minute. Yeah, text format to you and select this. You can see we have total of 2 performance, which is high and moderate, because we have only 2 value, third and fourth. So on this basis of you can do your graphical presentation. Okay, so now we are done with some others, like over time you have always a status of no and yes. Okay, performance rating is done. Over 18, num companies work, this one is not matter. Monthly rate, monthly income, marital status. See here, job satisfaction. Okay, so total we have job satisfaction, we have 4 status. So this function I can use with you in the main, in the add column, not a conditional column, because conditional column category is done with in front of you. So now I'm going to use any other function level, like dex function. How to use dex function for any condition, right? So now it's done in the background. Now we are working with any other question. The name is satisfaction level, job satisfaction, this one. Okay, so I'm going to click here, one new column here, select new column, and I'm going to write a condition that we have to make condition on the basis of job satisfaction, and total we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 rating. So here we have to write a job satisfaction status. So you have to write a condition that if job satisfaction, okay, is greater than 3, then we need what I can say, highly satisfied, highly satisfied. Okay, and then if job satisfaction greater than 2, then we need high. It is only satisfied. This one is only satisfied. If job satisfaction is greater than 1, okay, then you have to as moderate or neutral. Satisfaction. And the last one, guys, Simple. Last one for you, don't write any condition because this one is greater than 1, so last one is less than 1 automatically. So neutral, you have unsatisfied. Unsatisfied or very unsatisfied, you can write. Not unsatisfied, greater than unsatisfied. So on this way, you first, second, and third. Why we should bracket close 3 times? Because we are going to open bracket for 3 times. That is the reason. Okay. So any doubt, guys, in this example? Anyone? How to write this condition? You have any doubt? See, I am writing here as highly satisfaction, satisfied, neutral. So you can change also. Suppose if you want any other, like very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, satisfied, section, and very satisfied. That's just very unsatisfied. So these 4 conditions. If you have any other condition, you can write it that also in your mind. So you can, this, see, this condition will given you a manager, will given to you by a manager or by a concerned person. You don't need to think about it, but I am going to think because I am teaching you. That is why I am thinking in front of you directly whatever the condition I should write, because it's the complete real time. So suppose if you're making practice on a data, so you have to think that what are the condition in your mind, and you, if you want to think that condition, so you just write it Google. Okay, for the condition way, that suppose if you have performance rating for 4 types, so what is the 4 main types you can use in your data, which is looking good for your data? So just clicking on this enter, so you can see your data will be ready as per job satisfaction level. Here you can see satisfied, very satisfied, unsatisfied. So if you click on this option, you can see all the 4 you have done: very satisfied, very unsatisfied, neutral, satisfaction, and satisfied. Clear? Any doubt? Bhaskar, Brahma, Pawan, and Shweta, related to any doubt in for this example, or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will explain you again. Okay, clear? Yeah. So now I move to further. So for this example, first one is done: promotion status, year, work-life balance. If you click on there, total of work-life balance. Okay, so there is a 4 types of work-life balance also. So you can see this also for a 4th time. So if you work on it, click on add new column. See, you have to just play with data only. This is your task in Power BI, that you have to play with data. Every condition you can do, every condition. Like suppose after 1 year, if new manager is asking you that how to make this report without this condition, this is not a valid condition. Okay, so you have to change. It means you have to be dynamically overall time. So work life balance status. Balance status. Here also we can write a status. Okay, so tell me guys, any 4 work life balance status in your life? Suppose you all are working, so tell me any 4 work life balance status in your job. Tell me guys, can you hear me clearly? Guys, tell me any 4 types of working balance status in your life, because you are also employee in your company, and this is employee status. Suppose if you're working in any company, so what type of rating you given in your company, last company or current company? Tell me.
And so no experience. But first of second financial status.
Mhm. Okay, so see, you have a first condition. Okay, so if I write it here in a command, first condition is for uh, work-life balance, low work-life balance. Okay, low balance. That's it. Okay. Second condition, we can write it low balance and more than 3. Suppose if you have 3 or more than 3, so you can just write it as more than 2. Okay, then it is a high balance. Just a 3 condition we have to write. For four option we have to just write these 3 conditions. So if work-life balance is greater than 2, then we need as a high balance of employee. Second one, if work-life balance is greater than 2, sorry, not 2, 1, right? Greater than 1, then we need as medium balance. Last condition you have to write it here. Low balance. This way you can write any of condition with your data, if condition. And this is complete dynamically. You can change any of the time. And suppose in this project also you can change any of the time. You can go to this project only, select this function, and after suppose in your suppose if you see high, medium, and low, and suppose after seeing your manager, no, high, medium, and low is nothing good, you can change any of the condition and your manager provide you any best condition. Okay, then on this basis of you can directly go to this and select this condition, change the heading. So if this database automatically change, diagram automatically change. Okay, how to give, I will let you know in just some other ways. So you have one by one. Yeah, age, guys, age group is very important here. So click on this. First you have to select, you have minimum age is 18 and maximum age is 60. So on this basis of data, we have to make some age group wise criteria, age group wise. So clicking on this new column again. And here you can write as age group. And right, see, you have minimum age is 18 and maximum is 60. So what is the condition? Like 0 to 50. We have write it here 0 to 50, 16 to 30. Next one is 31 to 50. And last is more than 50. Simple. Greater than 50. Greater than 50. So these 4 conditions we have to write 0 to 15. So what we write in 0 to 15, guys? 0 to 15. Suppose any person work-life balance 0 to 15. It's 0 to 15, no, 0 to 20, guys. Okay. And now here 21 to 30, 31 to 50, and more than 50. Yeah. So 0 to 20, it's a fresher. Okay. And here experience, not experience, is intermediate. Okay. And 31 to 50 is advanced. Okay. And more than 50 is senior. Advanced, here you can write it as 31 to 50 is female employee or intermediate. Yeah, advanced it, okay. And here is senior. Okay, like this way you have to write your condition, that fresher, intermediate, advanced, and senior. So now we have to write a condition if age column, this one, if age column is greater than 50, then the answer should be senior. Here, age greater than 30, the answer should be greater than 30 to 50. In which range we have to calculate as senior? Okay, so advanced analytic. Here, not advanced. We are writing here experienced. Okay, experience is good. So now if third condition you have, so you write it here as age is greater than 20. Then we have intermediate and last condition you have to write it for 1, 2 and 3. Just enter. And you can see in the right hand side, the age group will be written here. Clear guys? So now we are creating one group, performance status. These 4 columns we have created: performance status, job satisfaction, work-life balance, and age group. So click on your visualization. Now one by one we have to create. Suppose this one I need to sum small. Attachment employee. This one is percentage. Yes. And the last example, if I click on this copy and just paste it over here, select little down on this page here. So what we have to write it here, we have total calculate work-life balance. So work-life balance. Instead of job profile, you can change your work-life balance. So there is a total of 3 types of balance: high, medium, and low. And you can see the number of people: 66, 235, and 60. And change the graph design. Area chart, line and cluster chart, this one. Or if you want to use, you can use pie chart also. Okay, so work-life balance, you can use this one, little above. So now you can see we are going to place here and here you can change the title, job profile status. So you can change, go to this title, work-life balance. Okay, and here you can see it is not a good way to see. So click on here, we have a legend option. Select this, right center, select this from top, like this way, high, medium, and low, and switch off the title. So high, medium, and low balance, and you have a data high, medium, and low. So go to this detail label. Here we have option of detail label. Select this value, only category or data. Select this. Yeah, this one is okay. Medium, high, See, the low is not showing because you have a less space. If you click on little bit, so now you can see you have low, medium and high balance data. Okay, so now click on this, change the color also, select this one, format, just paste it. Color is changed or not? Okay, color is not changing, so select this one, go to data color, high balance, you can select any other color which is orange, medium and low balance, you have dark this. So like this way your work life balance status is done. Same way, select this one, service period analysis, just copy and just paste it over here. In the last example, you can say age group wise. Select this. So age group wise, you can see guys, experience, intermediate, senior and fresher. You have age group wise. 609 experienced. Select this. You can change the title here. Age group analysis. Clear? So you can see now our report is ready for the first page. HR dashboard, total employee, female, male percentage, service period analysis on the basis of this, job profile, service period 0 to 10 year, 11 to 20. My mouse is not working, just a minute. Yeah, so now you can see guys, first page is working. So tell me guys, you have any doubt in this example? Otherwise we can move on into next graphical presentation. Okay, so now I am moving into new. Employee age is done. So guys, see how to make your new dashboard, how to make your new page. Okay, suppose first page is ready, then no need to make that much time spending on the second page. Select this. First you have to write it, change the name of the page. This one is home page. Now second one is not second one. First you have to delete this. Delete first and then click on this home page, right click from your mouse and duplicate. So next duplicate page will be ready and you can write it here as a details. So now second page is ready. So you have to just select all your chart, all your this activity, because heading is done. Heading is already there. Just this activity and delete all this one by one. So now you have HR data for service period analysis wise. This one first page is ready. Second page you have to select this and delete. Now you have to make your different page on this basis of detailed page. So here we want a detail, complete detail. So how to make your detail wise chart? Let me first arrange this one. Now you need a detail wise. So click any of the table, like select any table here. Bigger table. And now you have to select from here as an employee name, employee name column. This is employee name column. Select this one, employee name, and you have already calculate your measure. The name is male, female, you have promotion due. Select this promotion due. So you can see in this example, you have 47 employee, you have promotion due. Okay, so total of 47 employee you have, in which those employee promotion due in the next coming area, next coming quarter. So select this table again, go to this, you have a table style, guys. So if you select this, under this style you have a lot of table style like minimal. If you select this minimal, so you can see this type of table. Select this another size, so you can see bold header like this one. Okay, select another example, alternative row, so you can see this alternative row is black and green. Select this contrast alternative row, so you can see this type of table is ready. And you want flashy row, so this is flashy row, but we don't want this, so change none. Okay, now you have to select your according to your heading. So column header you can select orange like this. Background color you want white, not background color you change orange, and font color you change as white, because we need to match with this data. As per our main data, we need to match. Okay, so text size you want to increase, you can see the text size is increasing. Bold, the data is bold now. Little italic, you can change it italic mode. Now value means this is the total under values. Select font color, which is white, not white. Okay, this one. And background color is white. Okay, and now alternative result you have to use this one. Is good or not? Any other if you want, like black is not good. Any other like blue, it is also not good. So we select always a same color because this one is good. And now change the size also, so you can see size is changing. Employee name and promotion due is changing now, so not bold because this is your main field. Select this total option, switch off the total. We don't want a total. If you don't want total, you can just switch off. If you want total, that total number of employee or promotion due, because see, if you want it here total number of employee or promotion due, so you can select one card chart here. Suppose if I delete this one, no delete, sorry, control Z, select this male employee percentage. Instead of male employee, you can see here promotion due. So your value is 47, which is matched with the data. And here same way, in the female you have to see the retrenchment. So retrenchment is 53. Select this title, go to this title option. You can see here retrenchment. Okay, and for this male you have to write it here as promotion due. Guys, sorry, meeting will be ended just 1 minute. So guys, you can join again. Okay, I'm going to stop. You can join again with the same link.